There's a silent epidemic eating the professional world from the inside. For decades now, companies have invested far too much energy, time, and money on the wrong things. Pressure, deadlines, discipline, observation, relentless staff appraisals, blinkered focus on budgets, an apparent fascination with error correction, and having to learn unnecessarily long monologues have led to a singular malaise and stagnation in innovation and development. What? I told you to do it by 10 o'clock! Bad leadership has led to a generation of mental health problems. It's time to do things differently. It is a grounded scientific fact that leading strengths-oriented and creating psychological safety for your teams just works. It leads to increased innovation and creativity, more profit, motivated staff members. Oh, and fewer workplace accidents as well. Strengths orientation just works. And in my talks and events, I help teams to recognise their talents and develop them into best-in-class performance. What do bees look for?
Fair working conditions.
They look for flowers, the beautiful, the growing, the developing, the colourful, the diverse. And what do bees do when they find the nectar in those flowers? They spread it over themselves, fly around and spread the joy around. Bees literally develop growth. And what do flies look for?
A new agent.
Shit.
Dear God, no.
And when they find the shit, what do? They rub it on themselves, move over there and spread the shit around.
Not a chance!
And I make no apology for the crass allegory, because for generations now, companies have been organising their systems and leading their teams with a fly-based approach. My name's Matt Beadle. I'm a 4-time author and keynote speaker for the subjects of positive psychology and strengths orientation. If you're interested in anything like that for your teams, please drop us a line. So this is for that showreel thing, right? Hey, is that free beer?